This video introduces the PowerPoint presentation on landscapes, and this is to show that landscapes indeed confirm the evidence for a worldwide flood is overwhelming and irrefutable, because this is found all over the world, these features. Firstly, there is the feature of the first half of the flood, the inundation stage, the stage where the waters cover the earth and catastrophes lay down the rocks. What we find all over the earth is 5 megasequences. A megasequence is where you find sandstone, on top of the sandstone is mudstone, and on top of the mudstone is the limestone. This is a logical sequence. Sand is heavier than mud, and mud is heavier than the biological components of limestone. The fact that we see these megasequences all over the world shows this cannot be a localized flood, but a worldwide flood. And in these megasequences, we find the fossils. The fossils don't happen by chance, they have to have a catastrophe, because otherwise natural predation and biological microbes and so forth would eat away the dead animal before it got fossilized. The evidence of fossilization and the evidence of these megasequences, which show no sign of erosion between them or within them, show that these must have been a sequence of events taking place rapidly. And they're a sequence of events that were recent because the fossils, some of them contain soft tissue that only lasts thousands of years. The second half of the flood is what we call the recessional stage, where the floodwaters recede into the oceans the last 6 months. And that creates the valleys. The valleys are far too big for the rivers. Valleys can often be thousands of kilometres wide, but the rivers are maybe up to a kilometre wide. No way has that been created by the river. Instead, valleys are a testament to the floodwaters receding into the oceans and creating what we expect, systems of complex valleys. Likewise with canyons, these are the last stages of that recessional process. And there are other features of topography that show a worldwide flood. All this together gives us irrefutable evidence that the flood was worldwide and it was recent, thus confirming the Bible as an accurate record from God and something we should put our trust in. Well, thank you for listening.